So in this video, I will show you how you can increase your computer saturation. You can just follow me by right clicking on your desktop and click on Nvidia control panel. Then you can head on to change resolution under the display. You can make sure that you have the same setting as me. Make sure that you have put it on highest, blah blah blah. Make sure that you are on the highest resolution that you have for your monitor. Currently mine is 1920 times 1080. And then this is the important part, make sure that you are not in reference mode, and you can control your saturation by increasing your digital vibrance. What digital vibrance means is that it is your saturation. Now you can just turn that digital vibrance up, and after that your saturation will be increased. And this is an optional. If you like to watch video a lot, make sure that you are using this setting, especially for the dynamic range. You don't want to miss on that extra color range that makes the video more pop up when you are watching video from YouTube or movie, for example. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.